In the last trading bot update that I literally posted yesterday, shortly after the video was posted to YouTube, decided to take profits on all of them. We had a really crazy rise over the last couple days. I personally don't see the market to just continuously go up right now. I believe we're going to start to have more of a sideways market. With all the good news, I don't see us retracing all the way back down to 20 and 25K anytime in the near future. But at least short term to medium term, at least up until December hits, I think we're going to be relatively sideways. So I'm going to be setting up a new neutral trading bot. It's going to be a Bitcoin neutral trading bot. I'll show you those steps in just a moment. I do just want to give a shout out to one of my viewers, Tim. You're an awesome guy. Thank you for sending me that message yesterday. Just so you guys know, a couple months ago, he reached out to me with some questions about my original Phemex trading bot videos. Basically just asking for a little bit more information about how to set it up and how it works and stuff like that. Me and him went back and forth in a couple messages, and literally yesterday he reached out to me saying, "Hi, I remember starting with $250 a few weeks ago, and I kept it going. I would sell, then reset it, and I did it a few more times. Now with the recent BTC pump today, I did a few more buy-sell cycles, and now I'm up $2,800. Thanks again so much. I'm going to keep trying to make it grow." And that's awesome because it makes me feel like I'm making a difference to you guys. Please, guys, when you get those type of wins, please let me know. And if for whatever reason you followed my advice, remember, guys, always do your own research. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But if you see something that I did that either didn't work, or you did happen to try and it didn't work the way you thought, or you think you can do it better, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'm looking to improve. Because going into this next bull run, I want to be either the best trader, best crypto bots setup guy there is. And quite frankly, Tim had a better strategy than me, because originally when I first showed him, this is when I was doing all my YouTube videos, how to set up bot A, how to set up bot B. So I had multiple bots going, where he only was focusing on Bitcoin, and he ended up with much larger profits than I did. So Tim, awesome job. Keep it up. All right, guys, with all that being said, if you want to create your own trading bot and either follow the one I'm about to create or one of your own, a link to Phemex will be in the description below. Please only invest money that you can afford to lose, because since you are trading with leverage, you do risk losing your money and or crypto if the trades don't go the way you want them to. And also, if any of these videos help you out, please subscribe. It really does mean a lot to the channel. With that being said, let's get right into the video. First thing you go to is Phemex.com. Next, we're going to go to contracts, and we are going to go to trading bots. You're going to come right over here where we're going to hit create future grid trading bots. Boom. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it shows you the most popular bots, since the market's been on a tear recently. All of these are going to be long bots, but I'm going to come over here to manual, and I am going to set it to neutral. Ideal for range bound markets, create, sell, and buy orders through grid trading with no positions. So where is the lowest point I want this bot to go to? 30,000. Where's the highest point I want this bot to trade through? 40,000. Since I think the markets are going to go sideways for the medium term, this is where I'm comfortable for this bot to trade in. If it goes below this range, I'm going to have a stop loss ready, so it will stop the bot from continuing to trade. If it goes above this, the bot will just cease to move, but it won't necessarily sell out of positions. So in that situation, if it keeps going up, I don't mind. I'll stop the bot manually. But with that being said, the next thing I'm going to do is how many grids do I want? This is how many trades it's going to do, the buy and sell orders. If you want to only have two, do two. Personally, I want the bot to be as active as possible, so I am going to have 150. So when it goes above these lines, it does sells, and when it goes below, it does buys. And that's what I would like to see. Once I'm done with the grids, what's the leverage that I want to use? I want to use 50x leverage. On all of my trading bots, I feel confident enough where I'm getting into the positions that I'm going to do max leverage. It can get kind of scary, so if you're not confident in how the bots are going to work, do not do that. Even with my Ethereum and Solana, you guys saw in the past videos, at one point my Ethereum bot was down over $100. I stayed confident in it, and then it ended up jumping over $200 in profits. So now that I'm happy with this, now that I'm happy with the position keys that I'm going to be putting in, I am going to hit create. Now that we have that, you always double check your work. Make sure everything is as you want it to be. Lowest price 30K, highest price 40K. Grids 150. Right now it doesn't have a stop condition. I'm going to change that. I'll just do it on the next screen. So as long as you feel everything is correct, you are going to hit confirm. As soon as that happens, we should see the bot go live right in this vicinity. Perfect. And what I'm actually going to do is come to stop loss right over here. Bottom stop price. I'm going to do 29,999. Because basically if it goes under 30K, I want it to cut its losses, and I will figure everything out from there. Because remember guys, once it's outside that range, it no longer works. But other than that guys, that's how I'm setting up this bot. We're gonna see in the future videos on how we think it's gonna work. In theory, since I have more funds in this bot than any of the other ones, there's a chance that this bot might be considerably more profitable. There's a chance it can be considerably less profitable. Only time will tell over the next 7 days, and I will keep you up to date. Next Monday is the scheduled crypto trading bot video. If something crazy happens before then, I'll give you an update beforehand. With that being said guys, take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.